Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn TCS is providing the TCS iON AI Foundation free course and free certificate for this, and your certificate will be looks like this: certificate of achievement, congratulations, your name will be there, and for successfully completing TCS iON Career Edge AI Foundation course that cover introduction to AI, generative AI essential, prompt engineering basics, AI tools, and responsible AI. So you can go through the step-by-step process. This is the 100% free TCS iON Digital Learning Hub, certificate of achievement, 2 weeks duration. There is a 10 to 12, 11 hours per week, and online self-paced learning. So here TCS iON Career Edge AI Foundation is a free online self-paced certification course designed to make student and professional digital and AI ready. So this is the course link. We'll go through the step-by-step process for this, and course highlights is that this is the 100% free enrollment, certificate of achievement, self-paced online learning, duration in 2 weeks, 10 to 11 hours per week, language is English, no prerequisites are required. So what you will learn on this course? So introduction to AI, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning foundation, deep learning basic, generative AI and large language model, that's LLM, prompt engineering basics, AI promoting techniques, AI content creation tools, AI for productivity, AI video and analytics tool, build your first no code AI app, AI agent, responsible and ethical hacking. So who can apply? There is a graduate student, undergraduate student, graduate students, postgraduate student, and there is a freshers, job seekers, and working professionals. So certificate will you will get, so completion of assessment successfully, complete the assessment successfully and receive the TCS IM certificate of achievement. If you are looking for the best free AI certification course in 2026, the TCS ION at the foundation program is an excellent opportunity to learn AI, that and generative AI, prompt engineering, AI tools, and responsible AI for industry expert. So this is the career link, and if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe for more government free government and industry certification update. So let me open this URL. So when we'll open this URL, you can find this page, and this says Career Edge AI Foundation. We are digital and ready with ready AI ready youth. Here you can see about the course. So this is the digital world, understanding AI essential for the saying future ready. This program brings together with the two key component. One is AI awareness and the is generative AI essential. Total session is duration is 2 weeks and commitment 10 to 11 hours per week. Language is English, and course format is self-placed course, online self-placed. Who would benefit? So undergraduates, graduates, and postgraduates and freshers. Prerequisites are the no prerequisites to for the taking this course. So you have to click this one, subscribe, and this is the course syllabus is this one: introduction to AI, then generative AI essential, prompt engineering basics, AI tools, responsible AI, and assessment. After doing this assessment, you will get a certificate. Will like looks like this one: certificate of achievement. So this is the certificate just now we have opened, and related courses are also there. So we'll go through the next video. So in this video we have learned how to get a TCS ION free AI Foundation course 2026 with the free certification, and this is for the prompt engineering and AI Gen AI course. So all the step-by-step process we have completed. Now disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademark and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on chiragmahto@gmail.com. You can follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comments box and like, share, and comment. And subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.